Okay, we're coming up to our next rare Mark VII wash of the day. Never been down this road before, so I think I'm going to the right spot. Yeah, it's at the Sinclair gas station. Not another merchandiser, but another very rare Mark VII system. This one doesn't look too promising, and it's got PDQ signage. Let's see what the pay station says. It says it's working. This is supposed to be a turbojet. At least it's only $12. Luckily. So, but I can't even tell what's in the bay. I mean, if this is another Pro Touch tandem, I mean, it's like whatever. I mean, well, since I'm here, I'm just gonna do it anyway. Does it only work with codes? Does it even accept cash? I actually do have a 10. I might have to do cash. I have 11. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do have quarters, so I think I can make it work. This is why you always want to take cash. There's still plenty of washers that don't accept cards. And oh, what a letdown. Hey, but it's just a regular old 360. I actually need to film one of these. But it has the newer wash arm on it. Oh well. Yeah, regular 360, not a 360 sus or a 360 plus. Well, that is sad that the turbojet's gone, but I do know of another one which maybe I'll have to get next summer. Oh man, that wash arm was really close. That almost hit my mirror. I just realized I forgot to get a thumbnail. Oh well, I'll just crop one from my phone. And there's somebody behind me that wanna... Didn't want to make him feel like, what the heck are you doing? Yeah, I didn't position myself in the bay right. The washroom is really close on this side. It's only like 2 inches from my passenger mirror. Try phone now. flash dry, so I'm gonna leave the window up for the dryers. That was our wax, I think. Yep. Honestly, not too bad of a wash. 12 bucks. I feel like these older ones seem to be better. I feel like they changed the programming on the 360 Plus. I kind of like these older ones better. Huh. Flash dry starting from the back. Or, I think they disabled the flash dry. Could be worse. Hopefully it does another pass, which it should. Yeah, at least it's an older 360. I can tell I like these better than the 360 Plus or 360 Sus. The back cover seems to be missing. Like to leave the dryers on for you. Nice. Fairly well for Maxsters, so just kind of go on out of here. There's 3 manual days. Well, it's sad that that turbojet's gone. Well, I'll have to film that other one. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it. And I gotta try to get out of here, which is gonna be a pain.